This is our first quarter. Thank you for our sponsors, Lord Drugs and our Sportswear. First ball down. Adrian. First basket of the ball game. Untuk tayo. Lihat tayo ng bola. Pinasa kay Adrian. Seven for the play. Adrian gathered by Remy. Pass to number 91. Lee. Takes over the shot now. Lee and Lee has a win. Ramos for the no. Rebound by Masidon. Number 97. Paluin. Masidon to Masidon. Alright. 91. What was exactly more to go? Paluin mo ka rin sa pinasa. Wala pa rin. Ramos. Pada, oi! Kalusan wala na. Ipantay na pagkan. Gimana sila ni? Mabilisan na natin ito. Adrian, pinasulit kay Lee. Lee, naghanap. 91. No good. Ito na. Masunod na sa hilang keeper. Ramos, pasok ikot na. Nakuha na namin. Nagtakbo na. Foul! Pusat sayo, number 46, Maluyot. First foul on the second, on the first rebound. Also sponsored na Krispy Kreme Donuts. Lamig sa pinakuna. Lamig go free. Adrian naman. Pinasa kay Ramos. Ramos. Drop, fake, drive, foul sa ilalim. Number 44 remain. First foul. Second foul. Lee. Pass inside. 91. To Ramos. Fake. Ramos. Nahuli ang bola. Nasa yellow. Wala. Magandang defense ang Saudi. Masidon. 16 on the shot. Maluyaw. No good. What a rebound. 97 foul. One block. Lee. Pasok Adwan. Pasok Adwan. 91 agad. Oy! Nahihigay yung pasa. Sigol. Hindi ka mawala bola. Sigol. Pasa. Bilis ka pa naman ito. Lee. Ano ang gagawin niya, Lee? Lee, pumasok! Nakuha ulit. Adwan. Bakino. Bang! Silent kill. 4-2. Ganda takot terus ah. Ano yung idol? Adrian. Adrian. Foul! Nanalo na rin sa ilalim. Number 10. Substitution. Warning for penalty tayo. Warning for penalty. Sa unang tira, ito ang Krispy Kreme. Salamat po sa isang sponsor ng ating Krispy Kreme Donuts. Thank you, Mr. EJ Kasay. One point tayo. Came from Mr. EJ Kasay. Start on 6th grade in favor of Florence. Magandang laban. Bilisan ko. Uy! Last touchdown. Save ball. 14 on the shot clock. Adrian. Pasok pa kayo inside. Foul! Sino kaya ang foul dyan? Balo yun.
Substitution there.
What a rebound by number 97. 97. Turun ke belakang. Foul Arena. Substitution. Foul number. Foul number. Wala masasabi. Foul number. 17.
Jake.
Remaining time of our first quarter. Uy! Nakuha! Okay, 2 points. Score is 10-3. Lee! Uy! 14 on the shot lang. Magandang depensa ni 95. Nahuli mo na lang si Mark. Ipinasa na. Edward. Uy! Ganda na ng video na. 2 points. Ang lupit ng depensa ni Edward. Ramos.
Thank you.
Didiskarta. Kaya sa kayo. Lee. 2 points on the field.
Adrian, take Isaac at 2 minutes. Go. He needs a break. Go, take him out.
ganda naman o. Alright, okay. Tumakas na o. And one ulit. Foul, Lee. 2-point shot. At 23 na foul. Substitution na. 23 ang foul. Okay tayo. 13 foul. Bonus shot. Bonus shot tayo. Rebound. Pasok ulit. 56 remaining time on the first quarter. Lee. 14 on the shot clock. Ganda ng depensa. Hindi maigot na bola. 91. Nag-take and rebound. Foul. Edward. 2 shots tayo. Kaya na pinanggan, 24 seconds ang matitira. First throw, wala. Start na naman dito. Second throw. Nice spin. 7 on the shot clock. At sa game ng pula. 4, 2, 1. And on the first quarter. Ang ganda na o. Lee, target by Masidon.
Adrian, take Jacob. 1 minute. Jake, you gotta watch out. It's your teammate.
Foul. 27 foul. Cylinder foul by 97. Defense. Second personal foul.
Adrian, Ethan, go. Go take Jacob and Lee. Let's go. Oh, fuck me dead.
Edward. And, 2 points? No? Foul. 95 foul.
Jake. Jake.
Substitution na. Two shots tayo. Ako observe na. Two shots na. Two shots.
Jump now.
Okay. Okay, gamit na. 97. Gamit ni Sir Rato. Kinigo. Number 10. Ito na siya. Ready? Go! Foul na nakuha. 23, sir. 23 ang goal. Mario. Second team foul. First personal foul. Second personal foul. Two personal foul. Pasok, unang tira. Second throw. Pasok ulit. Two points. For 17. Pasok. 97. Score is 39. Yan na. Wala. Mario po Number 10. Yan na. Foul. Second personal foul on the third team foul. Two shots tayo. Ganda ng bitaw ni Mario, 1 point. Rebound. Wala. Foul by number 10. Ramos, hinintay si Mario. Mario, hesitated. Adrian Bang! 3 points. Nasigon.
Foul. Sino ba?
Wala na ka. Sinasa sa Mario. Number 10. 7 ang kasata. Paano yun? Wala! Wala! Tumama ka eh! Marisa, go! Go! 2 points! dito sa gitna. Masigol. Kanina pang hinihintay yung basket. Score is 39-15. Adrian. The fake. Uy, nakakaya pa. Silent killer. Isa na. Pasok na. Silent killer. Wow! What a move! Number 7, mamadali. Ano ang gagawin? Sinubot! Oy, sinubot! Pero foul. Substitution.
Lee, check Isaac.
Foul by Masigon. First personal foul. Or the fourth team foul. Substitution. Pasok kayo, pasok.
Adrian, check Adrian. Short one, short one.
Adrian.
Pasok, unang tira. Nagka-momentum si number 7, ha? Four. Amid. Penalty. Foul number 10. Sorry, may bolang dumaan. Sorry po tayo, sorry po. Please be careful po tayo. Okay, time on. Lee. Pass to 91. 45. Oy! Last time. 16 on the shot clock. 37 remaining time. Mario. Pass to 91. Lee. Pick up the lead on the rest. Bang! 3 points. Uy! Ganda naman ng game. Uy! Ulit. Slide ba? Pinawihan niya ng 7. Wala! Rebound by net 1. 10 seconds in the remaining time. 6. Uy! 5. Oops! 1. Pasok! Diba na? Wala.
Press muna si Mario para malakas siya.
Wala, hindi kaya pa siya. Ang laki nila eh.
Malalaki rin yung mga player ng mga yung tol.
Ha?
Paluyod, pinasa ka. 3, 2, 1. Wala na. Shot clock violation tayo. Tinira na sana yun. Sayang naman. Lee. Ramos. Binayani. again.
Take him, Lee.
Ramos. Waiting na ba sa Uli. Jump right.
Lawrence number 15.
Okay, 46 pa. Baluyan at huli na. Huli na Baluyan.
Foul. Ball ito.
Oh, bonus shot. Rebound.
Go Mario!
Ayos, nagkakaroon ng bundok. Ayos na ba ang laman na to? At the presence of Boss John ay gagan pa. Number 5, tumirahin. Yung laban. 3 points. One out of time. Minsan tumira. Pero pasok. So, what did?
Push, 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 push.
Hindi ba Mark Ramid at si Bruce? Ramid, nag-jet after Baluyon, malayo. Baluyon, tumira. Wala. Dahil tirami pang mali. Baluyon, wala. Para sa Binao. Masigon, ano ang gagawin ni Masigon? Pinasa kay Baluyon, pinasa ulit ni Masigon, pinasa ka na! Wala! Kuha na ng diwan! Lee, ginamit ang nasi! Tupo! Ang ginagawa, diretso! Ang word, depensa! Pasok! 46 Baludo, 2 points. Juan, tumakas ulit. Uy, ito. Sampo na ang buwang kalamangan ng ilim. Ramid, Masigon for 3. No, palapos. Lee, dala na bola, pinasa ka na ito. Apat na na, warning for
Ethan, Ethan, Ethan. Adrian. Take Jake, take Jake. Jake.
Wala! Yun na. Hindi kaya. Ganda ng bata sa loob. Wala. Nahuli. Rami. Mario for the rebound. 91. Congratulations. See you next game. Ganda na lang sila nito yan. Boss na brother.
Talagang magic dito.
Ano yun? Binasa? Out of bounds.
Deh, mana? Whoa, whoa, double dribble! Double dribble! Oh! Fuck me dead! Nice boxing! What a box out! Let's go, go, go!
Pinasa, output, 72. Second base.
Wala siyang papasahan eh.
Mario.
Adrian, go get Mario. Give him a break. Quick. Mario, stop.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
Just give you 1 minute, 2 minutes. Yeah.
Hindi pa silent killer. 43 seconds. Okay.
It's alright. Hey boys, no score. Let's go. No score.
Three seconds.
Ah, fuck me.
It's okay. Ball. That's good.
It's good, boys.
Mario, get the ball now, Mario.
Go.
dito na. Masigon. Pinasa kay Baluya. Masigon. Pinasa sa loob. Ganda naman nun! 9%, 2 points.
Ball, Adrian! Adrian, go! Ball, down!
Ganda ng play. Medyo na i-stack ang meeting sa depensa. At drive, pinag-play. 97. Pumasok! Foul! Okay ka lang.
Nice.
91 foul. Cylinder foul. By 91. Ipapaliwanag ko sa ano. Pasok. Rebound tayo, rebound.
Magkapatid ba to? Graduate! Lima! Graduate!
Who's Baluyot?
Baluyot yan.
Ito, 46.
Go, Mario!
Warning for disqualification, Baluya.
Fuck.
Baluya, pinakala. Rasal. Pinakala Masigon. Pinakala. Banig. 97, hindi ko ng bola. Wala.
Straight!
Lee, go check Adrian. Jacob! Jake! Ethan.
Pasok. 70 now. Pasok.
Good D, man.
Rami, kasama na rin. Uy! Good ball tayo, good ball.
Yellow ball!
Black ball.
Kanina pa black ball yan.
Kanina pa black ball eh.
Black ball.
Kanina pa black ball eh. Hey, i-rewind ko yan, Jab. I-rewind ko yan.
97. Same ball, 8 seconds on the shot clock.
In 3 minutes, I want Jacob out. Okay? 3 minutes.
Just
8 seconds on the shot clock. Baluya, sumugod. Rami, goal. Late for the rebound.
Yellow na, yellow! Yeah! Kala ko black ball na naman eh.
72. Ginamit mo na. Uy!
Hey!
Hey!
Shut it!
Sabi niya, lumapit ka. Sa'yo mo ako. Pasigol! Wala! Foul. 72 foul. Ilan na yun?
Tatlo.
Warning na rin.
Dalawa.
Tatlo na yun. Tatlo. 72. 23 foul. Basket shoot. By 97. Tatlo na rin. Si Mario. 13 foul. Pasok. Okay. 57 for the
Wala ka na boarding.
Boarding sa side. Paano yun? Paano yun?
Uy! Nasi goal! Wala! Balo yun! 13 on the second. The shot. Fake. 37. In the right. What a move.
Hey, what's the arms?
Sa mga dalawan dito. 10 pa rin. Ano na?
Take it.
Turn! Balo yun sa rebound.
Sub. Wala.
2 points by number 10.
Hindi pa napalo.
Boys, Isaac, man. Play man.
Adrian, boom, man, straight away. Yeah.
Lee, play man. Play man. Let's go.
10 seconds. 7.
Subs. Jake. Go. Jake.
Sabihin nyo, gusto nyo.
Go, take it.
Tumira na. Wala. Uy! Uy, nahuli. Ganda ng pasa.
Man, boys. Boys, top court up. Let's go. Take a man.
Huli! Okay. Black ball tayo. Tight defense na ginagawa. Naku! Huli! Pasok! Huli!
Mario. Take a man, boys. Take a man. Let's go.
Go for the shot clock. 10, 8, Rabin, 7, 5, 4, okay.
Pass.
Rabin, magdadala ng bola. 1 minute and 48. 7 minutes na shot clock. Pinasa ka 97.
Nawala si Mario eh. Hindi naman kailangan eh.
91. Lumubog. Alright. Isihan mo lang. Okay.
Help!
Target by everyone. Maraming tumatakot. Foul. Penalty. 91, foul.
Wala pa penalty.
91.
Wala pa, apat pa lang.
Second. Ha?
Walang, that wasn't a shooting foul.
Layup.
That wasn't a shooting foul.
Sayang yun.
All right, box out.
Sato sa ni coach. Pasok.
Run!
1 minute and goal. Lee,
Right side!
Check 30 pound.
Hey, take it inside! Lee, take it in! Go!
1 minute remaining. Maganda rin.
Yeah! Let's go. Let's go. Get down. Get down. Mario, number 10.
9, 7, 6, 4, 5.
Oh! Come on!
Wala, nakatayo lang yun eh!
Body, man! Body contact! Fuck me dead!
Walang contact! Isang ito, wala, nakapulsa eh. Wala yun! Okay lang, laban lang yan.
Alright.
Laban lang!
Sato, box out.
Lee, nice and quick!
Time out, diba?
Let's go, no, wala. 30 seconds na.
66-62. What a pass.
All right, everyone down! Everyone down!
Okay, 20 seconds na yan. 19 seconds. 18, 15.
Foul, boys!
Oh no.
Foul, boys! Go! Come on, baby! Oh!
Congratulations. What a good game, both